Hello and welcome to IGCSE Mathematics 0580 extended course, syllabus topic E1, number, module E1.8, which is about decimals and fractions, and this is part 4 in which we're going to solve exercise 3 of chapter number 1. We are using Complete Mathematics for Cambridge IGCSE extended syllabus written by David Rayner. How to solve fractions? Let's see this. For your reference, it's on page 4, exercise 3. And this is question number 1 of exercise 3. In this question, we are given 3 over 4 plus 4 over 5. So the method of solving fraction is just take the LCM of the denominators, which are 4 and 5. So if you take the LCM of 4 and 5, so no table can divide 4 and 5 simultaneously, so there's no point of it. So just multiply together, which is 4 into 5, which is 20, right? So 20 is the LCM. Now what you have to do, divide 20 with the 4, this 4, first denominator, and it is 4 5s are 20, so the answer is 5. Whatever answer you have, multiply this 5 with the number which is in the numerator. So 5 3s are 15, plus this plus will be as it is here. Now 20 divided by 5, the next denominator. Now 5 4s are 20, answer is 4. Multiply this 4 with the numerator of this 5, so 4 4s are 16. 15 plus 16 is 31. 31 over 20, or in the mixed fraction you can write 31 divided by 20, 21s are 20, remaining is 11. So as a mixed fraction you can write like one whole number 11 over 20. This number first, this number should be in the numerator and this number in the denominator, so it has the same effect as 31 over 20. This is question number 3 of exercise 3. Now in this question we are given two fractions, 5 over 6 plus 6 over 9. So the same way we take the LCM of these two denominators, which are 6 and 9, right? And just think of a number which can divide 6 and 9 simultaneously, which is 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Now 2 and 3 cannot be divided by a single table, so just stop doing it and multiply these three numbers, which are 3 into 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So 18 is your LCM, right? Now next step, 18 divided by 6, which is 3. Let me show what I'm doing. Just keep 18 inside, divide with the 6. 6 3s are 18, remainder 0. The answer is 3. Multiply this answer with the numerator of 6. So 5 3s are 15, you're multiplying it, right? Now divide 18 with this another denominator, 18 inside, 9 outside, 9 2s are 18. So 2 is answer. Multiply the 2 with the numerator of 9. So 6 2s are, and plus will be as it is, plus 6 2s are 12, and 12 plus 15 is 27. So this is 27 over 18. You can further simplify. It is going on table of 3. So 3 9s are 27, 3 6 are 18. Further gone 3 3s are 9, and 3 2s are 6. So the answer is 3 over 2. Or with a mixed fraction you can write 3 inside, 2 outside, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. So in the mixed fraction you can write one whole number 1 over 2. This format or this format, both are acceptable. This is question number 16 of exercise 3. Okay, so in this question is the first fraction is in mixed fractions, 1 3 over 4 minus 2 over 3. So let's make it a normal fraction. So 4 1s are 4. You multiply these two terms and the answer is added with this 3. So 4 1s are 4, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So the answer is 7 and 4 as it is, minus 2 over 3. Now let's take the LCM of 4 and 3. So no table can divide it, so simply it is 4 into 3, which is 12. So 12 divided by 4, which is 3. Multiply 3 with the 7. 3 7s are 21, minus 3 4s are 12, and 4 2s are 8. So it is 21 minus 8. 21 minus 8, which is equals to 13 over 12. Now in the form of mixed fraction you can write like 13 inside, 12 outside, 12 1s are 12, carry is 1. or remainder is 1. So you can write as a mixed fraction one whole number 1 over 12. This is question number 25 of exercise 3. In this question we are given two fractions, they are on top of each other. So it's in one fraction there are further two more fractions, so it is 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3 whole upon 3 over 4 minus 1 over 3. So solve them individually. So LCM of 3 and 3 is 3, and we have 2 plus 1 as it is, and 4 and 3 LCM is 12. So 4 3s are 12 and 3 3s are 9 minus 3 4s are 12. Answer is 4. 4 1s are 4. So here in the numerator we have 3 over 3 whole over 9 minus 4 is 5 over 12. 3 over 3 is 1, so 1 over 5 over 12. And the rule says when you have a double denominator, this denominator go inside and multiply with this number. So it will be 1 into 12 will be 12. So it is simply 12 over 5, or in the mixed fraction you can write like 2 whole number 2 over 5. So either this way or this way. In question number 9 it says 5 over 8 multiplied by 12 over 13. So what we can do, we can divide these numbers on top of each other or cross, not in front of each other. So it means that 8 and 5 or 8 and 12 can be cancelled if it is going on one table. So clearly 8 and 12 going on 4, so 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. That's it, no other number is going now. So now whatever you left, just multiply in front of each other. It means that 5 with the 3, which is 15, and 2 into 13, which is 26. Now keep in mind this number cannot be written as mixed fraction because the numerator is smaller. So this is our answer. In question number 17 it says 1 whole number 3 over 4 multiplied by 2 over 3. So let's make it a normal fraction, which is 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7. So it is 7 over 4 multiplied by 2 over 3. See, this 4 and 2 can be cancelled with the 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 7 1s are 7, 3 2s are 6, or you can write as a mixed fraction one whole number 1 over 6. In question number 22 the situation is a bit different. It says 3 over 4 minus 2 over 3 and it is divided by 3 over 4. So let's solve this whatever you have inside of these brackets. So 4 and 3 LCM is 12. 4 3s are 12, answer is 3. Multiply this 3 with this 3 numerator, so 3 3s are 9 minus 3 4s are 12, answer is 4. 4 multiply with this numerator is 8, 4 2s are 8, right? And just leave everything as it is, 3 over 4, and 9 minus 8 is 1, so it is 1 over 12 divided by 3 over 4. And always remember, whenever you have divided by, you can change it to multiply like this, 1 over 12 multiplied by, and just invert these fractions. So 4 will be up and 3 will be down like this. So whenever you just change the divided into multiply, whatever the term on the right side, just invert it. So 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So the answer is 1 over 9. In question number 26 it says arrange the fractions in order of size, and we are given three fractions. Order of size means you have to write which is the smallest, then bigger, and the biggest. So we have already talked in one of the previous videos, so let's remind it or revise it what we have discussed. The best technique to just guess which is the smaller or bigger in the fraction part, make all these denominators as a one number, right? Whatever it is, just make it 1. Clearly it is 12, 2 and 3. We can see that this 2 and 3 can be made 12 consequently, but if you have a different number and difficult for you you are getting difficult to understand, just take the highest fraction HCF of these three numbers, 12, 2 and 3. Let's take out the HCF. So they are going with the 2, so 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2 and 3 as it is. Now this 3 and 6 going with the 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 as it is, and 3 1s are 3, right? And that's it, and 2 here. So 2 into 3 6, 6 2s are 12. So it means the HCF, highest common factor, is 12. It means that what you have to do, you have to change this denominator into 12. In order to do that, you have to multiply 2 with the 6, and you have to multiply the 6 with the numerator as well, so that the effect can be cancelled. In the same way, this 3 can be made 12 by multiplying with the 4 you have to repeat this operation in the numerator as well, right? That's it. So you have now you have a fraction 6 over 12, right? Because you're multiplying with the 6, so 6 over 12, and then you have 4 to the 8 over 12, and you have 7 over 12, like this. Now clearly you can see this number 6 over 12 is the smallest one, which is 1 over 2, because how do you know? Because if the denominators are same, the smaller the number, the smaller the number, bigger the number, the bigger the number. So 6 is the smallest of 7 and 8, so this fraction as a whole is the smallest one, because 6 is smallest one. So it means 6 over 12 is 1 over 2, so 1 over 2 is the smallest one. Then comes 7 over 2, 7 over 12 is 7 over 12, so this is the second bigger number, and the biggest is number 8, so which is 2 over 3. So 2 over 3 is the biggest of these three fractions. In part B, we have more or less the same condition. So let's take the HCF of 4, 3 and 6. So 2 2s are 4, 3 as it is, 2 3s are 6. Now with the 3, so 2 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, and that's it. So 3 into 6 into 12. It means that 12 is our HCF, so we have to make 12 all these three denominators. So first of all, let's make this 4 12. So you have to multiply with the 3. So if you multiply 3, you have to do the same thing with the numerator. So you have to multiply this 3 with the 3 again, and here once again you have 3. So in order to make 12, which is the HCF, you have to multiply with the 4. So you have to do same thing with the numerator. So 2 into 4, and this 6 you have to make 12. So you have to multiply with the 2. So you have to do same thing, multiply 2 in the numerator, and that's it. So 3 3s are 9, 9 over 12, 4 2s are 8 over 12, and 5 2s are 10 over 12, right? So the smallest number is 8, so which is 2 over 3 is the smallest number, and then comes 9, because we have three numbers 8 9 and 10. First is 8, then 9, 9 over 12 is 3 over 4, and then comes 10, 10 over 12, which is 5 over 6. So this is how you decide. In question number 27, it says find the fraction which is midway between the two fractions given. Midway mean anything which lie in the middle. Same way, if you have 2 points A and B here, and you need to find out the mid of it, so what you do, you just divide these two numbers A plus B and divide it by 2. So in that way, this will give you the middle value, this one. In the same way, this one, so it means we have to do 2 over 5 plus 3 over 5, right? Divide, and then divide it with 2, whatever the answer is. So let's solve it. So 5 is LCM, so we have 2 plus 3 divided by 2, and it is 5 over 5 divided by 2, which is 1 divided by 2, can be written as this. So this is the midway fraction. In that part it says 3 over 8 and 11 over 24. So we will perform the same operation, 3 over 8 plus 11 over 24 and divided by 2. So 8 and 24 LCM is 24. 8 3s are 24, 3 3s are 9, 24 1s are 24, 1 11s are 11 divided by 2. 11 plus 9 plus 11 is 20, so it is 20 over 24 divided by 2. Just cancel it out. It's going on table 4. 4 5s are 20 and 4 6 are 24, so it is for the 4 5s are in fact 20, 4 6 24, so it is 5 over 6 divided by 2. You know that you can change it to multiply. In that way it will invert, so it will be 1 over 2. So the answer will be, now nothing can be cancelled, just multiply it straight. So 5 and the 5, and here you have in fact it is 5 over 6. It is 5 over 6, so 6 2s are 12. So the midway fraction is 5 over 12. In the next part we'll be solving question number 28 onwards, so see you there.